We have three competing bidders. LM Construction and General Landscape. We have Dave Construction, General Engineering. Isa ba po? GM Laporte Construction. The preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid via legal documents, via valid KGF registration certificate must be a platinum membership.
Deep Construction, Platinum Membership.
LM Construction, platinum membership.
GM Laporte, Platinum Membership.
Registration certificate.
Deep Construction, DTI.
LM Construction, DTI.
GM Laporte, DTI.
Mayor's or business permit.
Deep Construction,
LM Construction, check. That's clearance.
Deep Construction, check.
LM Construction, check.
GM Laporte, check.
Dave Construction, technical documents, statement of prospective bidders of all online government and private contracts.
Deep Construction, check.
LM Construction, check.
GM Laporte, check.
Next, we have statement of bidders equal largest completed contract.
Deep Construction, check.
LM Construction, check.
GM Laporte, check.
Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PITA license.
Deep Construction, check.
LM Construction, check.
GM Laporte, check.
Original copy of bid security. GMC. Mana? Income license for GMLC. Naman dito, any missing documents in the mentioned CPS is allowed to outright rejection of the bid. Ada? Check.
O, check na lang. Sorry ba?
Ito ka talaga dito. Any missing documents in the mentioned CPS is allowed to outright rejection.
License particulars, July 1, 2023, October 9, 2024. Registration particulars, May 16, 2024 to June 14, 2027.
Next, we have original copy of bid security.
Deep Construction, bid security declaration.
Construction with securing declaration duly notarized.
J. Laporte, disclaimer declaration duly notarized.
For project requirements, we have organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J. Laporte, check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J. Laporte, check.
List of contractors, major equipment or units.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
Original joint sign, source, omnibus source statement or the OSS.
J. Construction
J.
duly notarized.
LM Construction duly notarized.
J. Laporte, check duly notarized.
For financial document, prospective bidders, audited financial statement.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J. Laporte, check.
Prospective bidder, competition, direct financial contracting capacity or the NFCC.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J. Laporte, check. J. Laporte, FCC is 1,245,546,623 pesos and 43 centavos.
ADC for the contract, 51,152,720 pesos.
For the contract profile processing results, use that LL Construction and General Marketing, DIM Construction, JM Laporte Construction found eligible both legal, technical, and financial aspects. For the second envelope, the preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J.
Sige,
Laporte,
check ninyo. Paano ito? Basta na. For the financial component envelope must contain original and duly signed and complete financial bid forms. Check.
LM Construction check.
J. Construction check.
Other implementary requirements under Republic Act 9184, the original duly signed bid price and the bill of quantities.
J. Construction check.
LM Construction check.
J. Laporte, check.
Bid offer.
J. Construction offers 51,131,843 pesos and 50 centavos.
LM Construction offers 51,138,170 pesos and 61 centavos.
JM Laporte offers 51,058,893 pesos and 27 centavos.
Balik daw din, balik ito rin.
51,058,893 pesos and 27 centavos.
LM Construction.
$51,138,170 pesos and 61
.27
centavos.
Contractors may leave now. We will call for the project. This is for AB064.
JM Laporte check.
Postponing.
Postponing na po.
Postponing sa kikikuan ng mga kwan. Postponing.
65.
Project will contract ID 24 NB 0065 construction of bank protection along Agusan River, Poblacion Sibagat section, Sibagat Agusan Luzon. We have 3 competing bidders. We have Semantan Construction, Divani Construction, and Jade Construction.
Kaya natin.
Pero sige po, dahil na tanan.
Dami yung pinakuha.
Ano po sa akin na
Oo, kita na yun.
Ano meron yung FCC kasi? The preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid, we have valid PGF registration certificate.
Deep construction, Talino. Bale construction. Latino membership.
Same time. Construction, Chapino.
Next, we have registration certificate.
Deep construction, DTI. Bale DTI.
Same time, DTI.
Next, we have mayor's or business permit.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time, check.
Tax clearance.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time, check.
For the technical documents, we have statement of prospective bidders of all ongoing government and private contracts.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same construction, check.
Statement of bidders equal largest completed contract for the SLCC.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time, check.
For the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAB license.
Deep construction check. Jubale construction. License particulars. July 1, 2023 to July 27, 2026. Registration particulars. From November 4, 2022 to June 18, 2024.
Same time, construction. License.
Tignan nyo na mag-ila nila. Ato sa reminders lang, we could not renew their file, we could not prepare their documents unless they have to submit the renewed one. Mara na condition nato sa mga.
Same time construction license particulars from July 1, 2023 to March 1, 2026. Registration particulars, July 16, 2024 to October 9, 2025.
Next, we have original copy of bid security.
Deep construction, bid securing declaration, duly notarized. Jubale construction, bid securing declaration, duly notarized.
Same time construction with security declaration, duly notarized.
For project requirements, we have organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time construction check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time check.
List of contractors, major equipment or units.
Deep construction check. Jubale check.
Same time check.
Original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, the OSS.
Deep construction check, duly notarized. Giovanni check, duly notarized.
Same time check, duly notarized.
Prospective bidders, audited financial statement.
Deep construction check. Giovanni construction check.
Same time check.
Prospective bidder, single largest prospective bidder, computation of the net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC.
Deep construction check. Giovanni construction NFCC. 7,232,155 pesos, 155,440 pesos and 13 centavos.
Same time construction in FCC is 10,225,645,067 pesos and 44 centavos.
AG3 for the contract is 34,223,560 pesos.
For the contract profile processing results shows that Deep Construction, Giovanni Construction, and CM Plus Construction found to be eligible both legal, technical, and financial aspects. For the second envelope, preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid. We have financial component envelope must contain original, duly signed, and accomplished financial bid forms.
Deep construction check. Giovanni construction check.
Same time construction check.
Other documentary requirement under Republic Act 9184, the original, duly signed, specific price, and the bill of quantities.
Deep construction check. Giovanni check.
Same time check.
Bid offer.
Deep construction offers 34,222,101 pesos and 88 centavos. Giovanni construction offers 34,878,887 pesos and 54 centavos with a discount of 0.021% of the bid amount. Oh,
Ano discount siya?
Naka-percent?
oh,
Naka-percent.
0.021%. Of the bid amount right now.
Same time offers 33,969,922 pesos and 1 centavo. 33,969,922 pesos and 1 centavo.
Ano ba kasi Giovanni, no? Ay, discount siya?
Oo.
Tapos i-compute sa to.
Ilan na po?
Pag i-compute mo, may offer na after this discount.
Final 34,805,000.
Pero still, hindi na feeling.
Ang sentavo.
Then now, 87,000.
Kaya yung offer ng mga discount is 0.1% na to.
0.01.
0.01%, hindi pa yung 100.
That's identical.
Gabaya tayo ang naman which is one gapon siya above the ABC. Sa 2.1, mas mababa pa siya. 1.21. Para sa umintong yung ating estimates, tas provide quarter and payment schedule.
Construction check. Bali construction check.
Same time check.
Next project. Goodbye sa Intal. Goodbye to Valley and D. Next project to NB 0066. NRJ Bayugan Kanaitan Tantatron. Located at Bayugan City, Agusan del Sur. We have 3 competing bidders. We have Central Construction, Dave Construction and General Engineering, then Dakota Construction. For the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid.
Deep construction.
For the legal document, the valid registration certificate must get that in membership.
Deep construction, platinum membership. JM La Corte, platinum membership.
Same time. Platinum.
Registration certificate.
Deep construction, DTI. JM La Corte, DTI.
Same time DTI.
Mayors of business permit.
Deep construction check. JM La Corte, check.
Tax clearance.
Deep construction check. JM La Corte, check.
Same time check.
Prospective, for the technical documents, we have prospective bidders. all ongoing government and private contracts.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time check.
Statement of bidders in Colantes completed contract.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same
The
time check.
Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAP license.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time check.
Original copy of bill security.
Deep construction with securing declaration. Duly notarized. JM Laporte with securing declaration. Duly notarized.
Same time construction. Bill security declaration during authorized.
For organization for the project requirement, organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time construction check.
We have placed on contractors key personnel.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time check.
List of contractors major equipment or units.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time construction check.
Original duly signed only postal statement or the OSS.
Deep construction check. Duly notarized. JM Laporte check. Duly notarized.
Same time check. Authorized.
For the financial document, we have prospective leaders, audited financial statement.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time check.
Prospective leaders, competition, the net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time construction check.
ABC for a contract is 14,778,780 pesos.
For the contract profile processing consortiums that Central Construction, J Construction, and GLSC found to be eligible for technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the financial component of the bid, the preliminary examination of financial component of the bid. We have financial component in the envelope must contain original duly signed and copied financial bid forms.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Same time check.
Under the preliminary requirement, under the public act requirement report, original duly signed and bid price of the bill and bill of quantities.
Deep construction check. JM Laporte check.
Bid offer.
Deep construction offers 40 million 763,999 pesos and 46 centavos. Discount none.
No need.
JM Laporte construction offers 40 million 769,048 pesos and 73 centavos. 48. None.
Same time construction offers 40,510,543 pesos and 72 centavos.
Repeat again, 40 million.
40,510,543 pesos and 72 centavos.
Say goodbye to Central.
Right?
JM Construction. Next project for LP 00667 Transit. cancel. Wala sa license. Wala sa license. Wala lang sa dali. Wala lang sa pony. Pony. Project is contract ID 664 construction of block back protection along the Speed River downstream package 1 to Sweden at Apusan Luzon. We have two competing For the first end of the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid, we have legal documents, we have valid pager registration certificate.
Advil Corporation, Platinum Membership. Charles Construction, Platinum Membership.
Same time construction, party operation.
We have registration certificate.
Advil Corporation, Security and Exchange Commission. St. Charles Construction, DTI.
Same time DTI.
We have layers of business permit.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles State.
Same time check.
Tax clearance.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles State.
Same time check.
For the technical documents, statement of respective leaders of ongoing government and private contracts.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles State.
Same time check.
Statement of bidder single largest completed contract or the SLCC.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles State.
Same time check.
The Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PITA license.
Advil Corporation, license particular, February 23, 2024 to November 6, 2026. Registration particulars, February 26, 2024 to June 19, 2025. St. Charles Construction, license particular, registration. License particular, February 23, 2024 to November 6, 2026. St. Charles Construction, license particular, July 1, 2023 to July 11, 2026. Registration particulars, April 29, 2024 to May 31, 2027.
Same time construction check.
We have original copy of bid security.
Advil Corporation, bid security declaration. St. Charles Construction, bid security declaration, duly notarized.
For the
Same time check.
project requirements, we have organizational chart for the project to be bid.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Check.
Same time check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Check.
Same time check.
list of contractors, major equipment or units.
Actual Corporation, check. St. Charles, check.
Same time check.
Original yung sign omnibus source statement ka OSS.
Actual Corporation, check. Duly notarized.
For the financial document, a prospective bidder's audited financial statement.
Actual Corporation, check. St. Charles, check.
Prospective bidder computation, the net contracting capacity or the NFCC.
Actual Corporation, NFCC, 17 billion, 334 million, 555,636 pesos and 24 centavos. St. Charles Construction, NFCC, 3 billion, 970 million, 467,896 pesos and 24 centavos.
Same time construction check.
ABC for the contract is 120,625,000
For the contract for 5 processing consortiums that CM Tan Construction, St. Charles Construction, and Attic Construction found to be eligible for technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the financial, the preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid, we have for financial document, original design and accomplished financial bid forms.
Actual Corporation, check. St. Charles Construction, check.
Same time check.
Other documentary requirement under the Public Act 9182 is the original design, bid price, and the bill of quantities.
Actual Corporation, check. St. Charles, check.
Same time check.
Bid offer,
Actual Corporation offers 120 million 617,854 pesos and 15 centavos. St. Charles Construction offers 120 million 474,803 pesos and 23 centavos. None.
Same time construction offers 120,054,730 pesos and 66 centavos. 66. 120,054,730 pesos and 66 centavos.
Joda accomplished detailed estimates
Actual Corporation, check.
as provided by
St.
the
Charles,
schedule.
Actual Corporation, check. St. Charles, check.
Same time check.
Next project contract ID 24 NBC 069 construction of River Meda Bank protection along Barangay La Suerte. Barangay La Suerte. Prosperidad Abusan del Sur. We have few completing contractor. We have Silvi Construction and Silvi Construction and Training and Construction Corporation. Do not open before 10 a.m. on August of June 10. Huwag natin open, no? Okay na. Ano kalagay talaga dito? Oo. Kasi malaki kami po. Construction Corporation. We have two competing bidders. For the first, ended up the preliminary examination of technical component of the bid. We have legal documents. We have valid project registration certificate. As certificate must be a platinum membership.
J-Card Construction, Platinum Membership.
Saan ito nung basa nga lang? Kasi kwanto limit.
Gilreds? Gilreds daw. Gilreds? Oo, Gilreds.
Limit rin ang bronze limit.
Gilreds.
Meron pa po sa limit. Registration certificate.
J-Card Construction, you would say.
Mayor's permit.
J-Card, check.
Tax clearance.
J-Card, check.
For technical documents, statement of prospective bidders of all ongoing government and private contract.
J-Card, check.
Statement of either single largest cooperative contract or the SLCC.
J-Card, check.
The Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAP license.
J-Card Construction Incorporated, SCS particulars. July 1, 2023 to November 29, 2026. Registration particulars. March 31, 2022 to May 17, 2025.
Gilreds Trading License Particulars from July 1, 2023 to February 8, 2025. Registration Particulars from July 17, 2024 to February 8, 2027.
Original copy of bid security.
J-Card Construction, check. Duly notarized.
For budget requirement, organizational childhood contract to be bid.
J-Card Construction, check.
Gilreds check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
J-Card Construction, check.
List of contractors, major equipment or units.
J-Card Construction, check.
Gilreds check.
For financial document, prospective dealers, audited financial statement.
Gilreds check.
J-Card, check.
Prospective bidder competition, the net contracting capacity, financial contracting capacity of the NFCC.
J-Card Construction, NFCC. 9 billion 366 million
902,877 pesos and 58 centavos.
So yan. Net. So ako. Ah, so ako sakto. Dahil
Jewelry.
jewelry. Wala tabi tayo. Isa po si Janet, so invoice sa fund, output financial statement. Kasi kung alam ko naman ano yung kapalimutan dito ako. Huwag na ako punta. Kasi natin itong check, pwede mag-check na kayo. Figure mo na. Pakita ka na maara sa diyan. Amount, king amount.
863,850,423 pesos and 82 centavos.
ABC for the contract is 57,900,000.
For the contract profile processing resources, the setting, legal construction found to be involved for technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the preliminary examination of financial component of the financial component envelope was contained original domicile and complete financial bill form. Other documentary requirements are the public authority report, original jury sign, and bid price of the bill of quantities.
Bid card, check.
Jewelry check.
Bid offer,
Bid card offers. 57,820,000 pesos.
Jewelry's trading and construction offers 57,800,000 pesos only.
What needs to
discount, no discount.
Jewelry.
Join accomplished detailed estimates,
Bid cards, check.
Jewelry's check.
task by partner payment schedule.
Jewelry's check.
Bid cards, check.
Dito tayo sa isang point, data o when Senegal Construction, Charles Construction, and Adfield Corporation.
They are three.
It's really
Project Input Block ID 24 NB 0070 Construction Back Protection ang Asmita ni Bedao Street Traffic Stop. It's very data po sa dito. We have 3 competing leaders. We have Adfield Corporation, CMTAN Construction and Street Transport Street Trans Construction and Supply. For the first envelope, we have the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid. We have added Jet Registration Certificate must be a platinum membership.
Asphalt Corporation, Platinum Membership. St. Charles Construction, Platinum Membership.
Registration Certificate,
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
TTL, Mayor's Permit,
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
Tax Clearance,
Advil Corporation,
for the city's approximate statement of prospective bidders of what will be government and private contracts.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
Statement of bidders single largest completed contract or the HLCC.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
For the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAP license.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
Original copy of bid security.
Advil Corporation, Bid Securing Declaration, duly notarized. St. Charles Bid Securing Declaration, duly notarized.
For project requirement, the authorizational charge for the contract to be bid.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
List of contractors, key personnel.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
List of contractors, major equipment or units.
Advil Corporation, St. Charles Tech.
Original John Stein Omnibus Sources or the OSS.
Advil Corporation, check.
For the financial document, the prospective bidders, audited financial statement.
Advil Corporation, check. St. Charles Tech.
Prospective bidders, financial contracting capacity or the AUHCC, net financial contracting capacity.
Advil Corporation, check. St. Charles Tech.
ABC for the contract is 120,685,000 pesos only.
For the contract for file processing consortiums that CMTAN Construction, Advil Corporation, St. Charles Construction and Supply found to be eligible both technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid. We have financial component envelope must contain original drawing sign of complete financial bid form.
Advil Corporation, check. St. Charles Tech.
Time check.
Under the supplementary requirement and public act 91 original dual-sided price of the bill of quantities.
At confirmation check. State charge check.
Time check.
Bid offer.
At confirmation. Offers. 120 million 613,706 pesos and 18 centavos. State charge offers 120,474,890 pesos and 59 centavos. No discount.
Same Time Construction offers 120,069,928 pesos and 93 centavos.
Detailed estimates.
At confirmation check.
Time
Cash flow
check.
by quarter and payment schedule.
At confirmation check. State charge check.
Same time check.
Bayad po sa kwado sa CNL at welcome po nato ng Air Construction, Dave Construction, and ABM1. Next project to increase the virtual construction of road along Don Pedro, San Luis, Agusan del Sur. We have 3 competing bidders. We have ABM1, Dave Construction, and Maer Construction. For the first unit of the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid, we have valid PGF registration certificate must be a platinum membership.
Dave Construction, platinum membership. ABM1 Builders, platinum membership.
Air Construction Platinum membership.
We have registration certificate.
Dave Construction DTI. ABM1 DTI.
Air ATI.
Mayor's or business permit.
Dave Construction check.
ABM1 check. Tax clearance.
Dave Construction check.
ABM1 check.
Air check.
Technical documents statement of prospective bidders of ongoing government and private contracts.
Dave Construction check.
ABM1 check.
Air check.
Statement of bidders in largest competitive contract or the SLCC.
Dave Construction check.
ABM1 check.
Air Construction checks.
Original copy of bid security.
Dave Construction check.
ABM1 check.
Check. Air Construction check.
Ano kita naman walo Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board the pickup license. Pickup license po.
Pickup license.
Pickup license.
Air Construction.
Mayra.
Air Construction license particulars, July 1, 2023 to December 15, 2024. Registration particulars from March 22, 2022 to April 22, 2025.
For project requirements, we have organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Dave Construction check.
List of contractors major equipment.
Dave Construction check.
Air Construction.
ABM1 check. Original and duly signed on the motion statement of OSS.
The construction check.
Construction check.
Everyone check.
For the financial component for financial documents, you have respective bidders, audited financial statement.
The construction check. Everyone check.
Construction check.
The bidders, computation of the net contracting capacity, net financial contracting capacity.
The construction check. Everyone
FCC.
check.
Air construction and FCC is 1,130,152,331 pesos and nine centavos.
ABC for the contract is 14,850,000 pesos.
For the contract for 5 processing resources that may air construction, bid construction, taking one count of the for more technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid. A financial component of the bid, the financial component envelope must complete original duly signed and accomplished financial bid forms.
The construction check. Everyone check.
Air check.
We have original duly signed bid price in the bill quantities.
The construction check.
Air check.
Everyone check.
Bid offer.
The construction offers 14,847,371 pesos at 65 centavos. Everyone offers 14,847,121 pesos and 21 centavos. No discount.
Air construction offers 14,837,050 pesos and 96 centavos.
Alam mo, gusto na mga iba dito na to. Ato na to ay pabutang sa ubos eh. Baboy ko kailangan
Detailed estimates, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule.
Construction check. Everyone check.
Air construction check.
Kaya sa ilang buwan. Welcome. Project in contract ID 00-24-80-00-72 construction of Tabon sa Tapos Road, Sibagat, and Busan del Sur. We have 3 completing leaders. We have GP Construction, Pada Construction, and Dave Construction. preliminary examination, the component of the bill, we have PhilJet registration certificate. Must be a platinum membership.
Deep Construction, Platinum Membership. Divisiano, Platinum Membership.
Abada Construction, Platinum.
Registration certificate.
Deep Construction, DTI. Divisiano, DTI.
Abada DTI.
Business permit.
Deep Construction, check. Divisiano, check.
Tax clearance.
Deep Construction, check. Divisiano, check.
For the technical documents, statement of prospective bidders for ongoing government and private contracts.
Deep Construction, check. Divisiano, check.
Abada check.
Statement of vendor single license for completed contract or the SLCC.
Deep Construction, check. Divisiano, check.
Abada check.
The Philippine Contractors Identification Board or the pickup license.
Deep Construction, check. Divisiano, check. Divisiano license particulars. July 1, 2023 to October 15, 2024. Registration particulars. May 15, 2023 to July 10, 2026.
Abada Construction license particulars from July 1, 2023 to September 18, 2024. Registration particulars from June 14, 2022 to June 14, 2025.
Next, we have the original copy of bid security.
Deep Construction Bid Securing Declaration. Divisiano Bid Securing Declaration. Duly notarized.
Project requirement. The project requirement, organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
List of contractors, major key personnel.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
List of contractors, major equipment or units.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
Original and duly signed omnibus sole statement or the OSS.
Deep Construction check. Duly notarized. Divisiano check. Duly notarized.
Abada check. Duly notarized.
Prospective bidders audited financial statement.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
Prospective bidder computation, the net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC.
Deep Construction check.
Abada.
Divisiano NFCC 297,881,733 pesos and 98 centavos.
Abada Construction, NFCC is 210,831,053 pesos and 1 centavos.
ABC for the contract is 29,700,000.
For the contract for file processing results shows that all of them are legible. I will break out Divisiano, Abada, and them are all legible for the technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, we have original duly signed complete financial bid forms.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
Other documental requirement as the 154 original duly signed bid price and the bill of quantities.
Deep Construction check. Divisiano check.
Abada check.
Bid offer.
Deep Construction offers 29,689,788 pesos and 4 centavos. Divisiano offers 29,693,539 pesos and 10 centavos. Notice count.
Abada Construction offers 29,624,385 pesos and only 385 pesos.
Yola comprehensive estimates as to the quarter payment schedule.
Divisiano check. Construction check. Divisiano check.
Papayas ka ito parang judicial para welcome at corporation and GCOR. Hindi ako maraming doon po. Equality po sa ako. Next project ito na kayo yung po kay Visa Resolution to take construction of bank protection and okay po way ganda po sa barangay na po, Prosperidad at Pusang Silson. We have two competing bidders with Adfair Corporation and GCAT Construction Incorporated. For the first envelope, we have the preliminary examination of the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bill, the valid building registration certificate plus the platinum membership.
GCAT Construction, Platinum Membership. Adfair Corporation, Platinum Membership.
Registration certificate.
GCAT, SIC. Adfair, SIC, Security, SIC.
Yours permit.
GCAT, SIC. Adfair, SIC.
Tax clearance.
GCAT, SIC.
For the documentation statement of prospective bidders of all only government and private contract.
GCAT Construction, SIC. Adfair, SIC.
Statement of bidders single largest completed contract of the SLCC.
GCAT Construction, SIC. Adfair, SIC.
The Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board of Manila license.
GCAT Construction, SIC. Adfair, SIC.
And you got original copy of bill security.
GCAT Construction, bid securing declaration, duly notarized. Adfair Corporation, bid securing declaration, duly notarized.
The project requirement, organizational chance for the contract to be bid.
GCAT Construction, check. Adfair, check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
GCAT Construction, check.
List of contractors, major equipment.
GCAT Construction, check. Adfair, check.
Original and dual signed omnibus or statement.
GCAT Construction, check.
On the
Duly
main
notarized.
documents, we have prospective bidders, audited financial statement.
GCAT Construction, check. Adfair, check.
Prospective bidder competition of the net financial contracting capacity of the NFCC.
GCAT Construction, check. Adfair, check.
ABC for the contract is 53,075,000 pesos.
For the contract profile processing, shows that GCAT Construction and the corporation found to be eligible for technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, we have the preliminary examination of the financial component of the bid. The financial component envelope must contain original duly signed and complete financial bid forms.
GCAT Construction, check.
Under the military requirement and the Republic of 1984, the original duly signed bid price, the bill of quantities.
Vicar Construction, check. Unfilled, check.
Bid offer.
Vicar Construction offers 53 million with 20,000 pesos a year. Unfilled Corporation offers 53 million 23,462 pesos and 59 centavos. No discount.
Next, do the accomplished detailed estimates. Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule.
At Jigal Construction at Bill check.
Next project with contract ID 24 in VCM Solution 55.
Why is it difficult?
74 construction of concrete road alternate road along the Armada passage to one. We have three competing bidders. We have CM Lacorte, CM Tal, and LM Construction.
24.
Continuous construction. Preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid were valid paper registration certificate for the adopting of membership.
Cimental Construction Platinum Membership. LM Construction Platinum Membership.
Registration certificate.
Cimental Construction DPI. LM Construction DPI.
Mayor's permit.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Tax clearance.
CM Construction check. LM Construction check.
Statement of prospective bid is about government and private contracts.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Statement of bidders in Coladis completed contract or the SLCC.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Pickup license.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Original copy of bid security.
Cimental Construction with securing declaration. LM Construction with securing declaration. Duly notarized.
Project requirements. Organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
Cimental Construction check.
List of contractors, major equipment.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Original bill signed on the Boston statement of the OSS.
Cimental Construction check. Duly notarized. LM check. Duly
Financial
notarized.
documents, required financial prospective bidders, audited financial statement.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Prospective bidder competition, the net contracting capacity of the NFCC.
Cimental Construction check. LM check.
Requisite to correct the contract is 96,500,000 pesos.
For the contract profile processing, it shows that CM Tamil Construction, NM Construction, and JM Laporte Construction found to be eligible for technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, the preliminary examination of financial component of the financial component envelope must contain original joint sign of this financial bid bonds.
Simple construction, check. LM construction, check.
Other documentary requirement are 8 and 24 original joint sign bid price and definite quantities.
Simple construction, check.
Bid offer.
Construction, check. Simple construction offers 96,490,770 pesos and 61 centavos only. LM Construction offers 96,492,940 pesos and 68 centavos. No discount.
JM Laporte Construction offers 96,401,939 pesos and 43 centavos.
Detailed estimates
Simpan, check.
as per by quality and payment schedule.
Simpan construction, check. LM, check.
Laporte check.
Next project with contract ID 24CD00725. We have two competing leaders. We have monolithic construction and concrete product with Vicente Tila Construction. Preliminary examination of technical component of the bid. We have financial technical component of the bid. Valid KJEP registration certificate. Nasaan nyo?
Monolithic construction. Platinum membership.
Hindi lang, magkakati ng membership.
Mayor's permit, registration certificate, tax clearance. Sa una sa
Commission, check.
sa legal niya ba sa legal aspect niya is registration certificate, mayor's permit, tax clearance.
Check, 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 check.
For the technical documents, statement of prospective bidders on government private contract, statement of bidders in regard to prospective contract, and the pickup license.
Hindi lang check.
Monolithic construction.
All check.
Kaya po natin tayo. Dila kita kapi sa iya na pickup license. Kaya pa pickup. Check na mo. Partner mo yung apos ka nila. Na sa project requirement, organizational charge for the contract will be bid. Less of contractors key personnel.
Hindi lang
Monolithic construction, check.
Less of contractors major equipment or units.
Hindi lang construction check.
Original and newly signed source statement or the OSS.
Hindi lang check.
Monolithic construction,
Financial component documents. We have financial prospective bidder, audited financial statement.
Hindi lang check.
Monolithic construction, check.
Then the net financial contracting capacity.
Detailed check.
Building construction check.
ABC for the contract is 82,955,000 pesos.
For the contract profile processing results shows that both of them are qualified and eligible, both technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, we have the technical, the financial, the financial component of the bid. We have original design, accomplished financial bid form.
Building construction check.
Detailed check.
We have original design bid price, the bill of quantity.
Building construction check.
Detailed check.
Bid offer.
On building construction offers 81,974,905 pesos and 63 centavos. Yeah.
Detailed construction offers 81,874,968 pesos and 86 centavos. 86. 81,874,968 pesos and 86 centavos.
Next one, estimates as per by quarter and payment schedule.
Detailed check.
On building construction
By the cloud, welcome, ARQ. We have LM Construction and General Marketing, Kubani Construction. We have three competing bidders. We have LM Construction, CRQ, and Giovanni Construction. For the first envelope, the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bid, we have valid budget registration certificate.
building construction platinum membership. Giovanni platinum membership.
ARQ, Latino membership.
We have registration certificate.
Building construction DTI.
ARQ, DTI.
Giovanni DTI.
Mayor's permit or business permit.
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
Tax clearance
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
for the technical documents, statement of prospective bidders of all government and private contracts.
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
ARQ check.
Statement of bidders involved artist completed contract or the SLCC.
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
The Philippine Contractors and Accreditation Board or the PCAP license.
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
ARQ, license particulars. April 23, 2024 to June 1, 2025. Registration particulars. May 2, 2024 to June 11, 2027.
Bid security.
Building construction with securing declaration. Duly notarized. Giovanni construction with securing declaration. Duly notarized.
ARQ, builders, check.
For project requirements, what organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Building construction check. Giovanni check.
ARQ, check.
List of contractors, key personnel.
Building construction check. valid check.
RTO check.
Rest of contractors, major equipment units.
Reconstruction check. Valid check.
Original during sign omnibus statement of the OSS.
Reconstruction check. During authorized.
Valid check during authorized.
RTO check.
Prospective bidders audited financial statement.
Reconstruction check.
Valid check.
RTO check.
Prospective bidders computation of the financial contracting capacity of the NFCC.
Reconstruction check.
Valid check.
The RTO FCC is 19 billion 88 million 809,122 pesos and 60 centavos.
Na bilyon.
19 billion 88 million 809,122 pesos and 60 centavos.
ABC for the contract is 85,885,000 pesos only.
For the contract profile processing resource use that NN Construction, ERQ Builders, New Valley Construction found to be eligible both technical, financial, and legal aspects. For the second envelope, we have the preliminary examination of financial component of the bid. For financial component, envelope must contain original bill design and accomplished financial bid form.
Reconstruction check. Valid check.
Original and documentary requirement and then arrangement one people. Original bill design bid price and the bill of quantities.
Reconstruction check. Valid check.
Bid offer. Bid offer na di
Reconstruction offers 85 million 879,000 18 pesos and 49 centavos. Bali construction offers 85 million 827,000 only. No discount.
The RQ Builders offers 85 million 21,196 pesos only. No discount.
there is no fiction. Any objection? Clarification? Suggestion for the member of the back? If there's none, we have nothing to discuss. The bidding is at 12:08.